Is chartered accountancy worth the struggle? I know many of you have this question because it is a tough degree that takes years to clear. So do the pros outweigh the cons? That's what we're going to discuss in today's video. Hi my friends, my name is Meher Sindhu Batra. I'm a chartered accountant and an MBA, and today I'm going to talk to you about whether pursuing the chartered accountancy course is worth it or not. Is it worth all the hours of hard work put into it? Is it worth all the struggle? Is it worth all the workload, stress, anxiety in today's time or not? So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. Before we begin with this video, please do hit the subscribe button. Only 20% of you who are watching this video have subscribed, so it will mean a lot to me. If you find this useful, it will encourage me to make more such videos. I'm making this video because a lot of you ask me today what I do professionally. Has CA been useful for me in my journey? Was it worth all those years of anxiety? Was it worth all those years of struggle or not? And I'm sure many of you who got your results recently would be thinking the same. You may be questioning your decision to pursue this degree, or you may be confused whether you want to continue down this path or not. The first thing I do want to say is that nothing worth having comes easy. If it were easy, everybody would do it, right? So you have to feel proud of yourself for going on this journey and actually having the guts to pursue it. And being a CA myself, I have too gone through those challenges of going through this long route of becoming a chartered accountant and getting that qualification before my name. And that's why I think it's important for you to sit down by yourself and make an informed decision about your future. Firstly, let's talk a little bit about the pros of doing CA and completing this degree. So assuming that you are somebody who hasn't started the journey, you have to know that there are a lot of perks of being a part of this prestigious qualification. Firstly is that it's recognized worldwide. Everybody in the world knows how difficult it is to become a chartered accountant and the struggle that everybody goes through. No matter where you go, which country you live in, if you say you're a chartered accountant, people will know that this person has a degree that is of value. It is a valuable degree to hold and talk about. It's very accredited. Secondly, you are also considered to be an expert because you've gone through challenging hours of studying, understanding the key concepts. People expect you to have that kind of knowledge to be able to guide them to make better decisions in their business or field of work. So chartered accountants are considered to be key decision makers because no businessman who doesn't have a finance degree will make a decision without consulting their CA. And today that I'm running my own business, I have the basic knowledge to understand, okay, what is coming in, what is going out, but yes, I still need to consult my CA while making those decisions, at least the big ones. And the next, which is related to that, is that you become a part of this huge professional network. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has a large network of people. The ICAI is a large network in India itself. But even around the world, we are spread out. So if you're living in UK, USA, Canada, you can still go up to people and say you're a chartered accountant and find somebody who's also from ICAI, who studied from India. And if you want to start practicing in another country, it's fairly easy too. You just need to take a couple of more exams to be able to be recognized as a practicing auditor or practicing chartered accountant in that country. Another point is the stability. CAs are always going to be in demand. There will never be a time when you won't need to plan your finances, when you wouldn't need to file your taxes or get your statements audited. There will always be a demand for chartered accountants. So there is a stability and some kind of security that I have a CA degree and I will be able to get some job whatsoever. And the next is the pay. If you become a chartered accountant in your early 20s, imagine that qualification at such a young age. You will be able to earn about 6 to 7 lakhs a year, which is way more than just somebody who's a graduate. So a chartered accountancy degree is like a master's degree in finance and accounting. The number of career opportunities is also a lot. You have the knowledge of finance, so you can get into the field of banking in the future. You know about auditing, so you can become an auditor. You know accounting, management accounting. You can start managing the finances of a business. You also get a lot of knowledge about taxes. So if you're interested in becoming a tax consultant, that's fantastic too. And if tomorrow you want to become an entrepreneur, all this knowledge will not go to waste. So for example, today while I'm running my business, I am still using the basic concepts that I learned. Moreover, CA is such a hardcore degree that has taught me the basic principles of time management, project management, working in challenging situations. I've definitely become a stronger person by pursuing this degree. Now let's talk a little bit about the cons of pursuing this degree. Is this struggle actually a lot? Yes, my friends, this degree comes with a lot of workload. You have to put in the effort, you have to put in the long hours because the syllabus is so vast and you need to revise each concept multiple times to be able to understand that, and also do a lot of practice test questions. So just like any hardcore degree such as medicine, becoming a doctor, becoming an engineer, a chartered accountancy degree is as tough, if not more. It is one of the toughest set of exams that you need to crack in our country. And you have to remember, you have to pursue a 3 years articleship training as well. That means you're working along with studying. So the workload is immense. For someone who's in their late teens or early 20s, it is a lot of workload to carry on. But this is the time when you should be grinding. This is the time when you should be hustling, so that you are able to set yourself up for the next few years to come. And another con is that it's a long, difficult route to take. A lot of my mentees and students sign up for this degree only because of parental pressure, societal pressure, or maybe they want to prove something to themselves, and then they clear the foundation level in the first attempt and then they get excited. But you have to remember that this is a long route. You cannot finish this degree in less than 4 to 5 years. That is without failing, if you do not fail even once. So you need a lot of perseverance, hard work, determination to complete this degree, because the entry is easy but the exit is very difficult. So the foundation is way easier than the CA final exams that you'll have to take right at the end. Like I said, you have to think of it as a bachelor's plus master's degree combined into one. So it's very, very difficult to crack. I feel that it's PhD level stuff. Another big con is the pass percentage. Like I said, the entry is easy but the exit is tough. There are a huge number of students who sign up for this degree and sign up to become qualified, but not everybody exits the course because the pass percentage is very low. It can vary from 6 to 20%. So let's say 100 people, 100 students are giving the exams. In the foundation, it may be a little bit higher. Let's say 20 to 25 students will clear the foundation exam. But as you go into the finals, it becomes very, very less. It could be somewhere around 10 out of 100 students end up becoming a chartered accountant. So the grind is very long and it can be a very demotivating journey. So to conclude, my friends, I think CA is worth it if you have a passion for numbers, if you have a passion for this degree, if you're somebody who's a creative person and you're just pursuing for the sake of it to make others happy around you or to prove something to the world, then it may not be the right one for you. So I want you to self-reflect and understand and sit by yourself and think, why is it that I want to pursue this degree? Don't pursue it for the wrong reasons. If you're somebody who's averse to numbers, if you're somebody who has no interest whatsoever in any of these fields, there is no point going down this path. Also, if you're already on this path and you think that you made the wrong choice, it's never too late to make a different decision. It's never too late to make a career switch. I qualified as a chartered accountant in the year 2015, and when I look back on my years of struggle, I think they have made me the person that I am today. And I've talked about my CA failure journey multiple times that you can watch through my other videos. I'm not trying to discourage you, I just want you to be realistic. Sometimes I wish I had a mentor who could tell me whether this was the right path for me or not, and I would have made a more informed and better decision for my future. So it's not only about the money that you'll make or the qualification that you'll have. Think about your mental health. Think about, what is it that I'll have to sacrifice? Am I ready for that? If you're ready and up for the challenge, then this degree is definitely for you. That's it, my friends. Please let me know if you want to see more such videos, and I would love to learn more about your CA journey, your CA struggles. And if you're confused, if you have any questions, write them down below. I'll be back soon with another video, but until then, keep being true to yourself and working hard towards your goals. I hope to see you soon. Bye.